Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 1 on Android. This process involves a few key steps to get your favorite classic real-time strategy game running on your mobile device. We will cover obtaining the necessary game files, installing a compatible Android client, and finally, configuring it for optimal gameplay. Get ready to relive those epic battles on the go, right from your phone or tablet. To begin, you will need to gather the core game files. This includes the full installation of Warcraft 3, the Frozen Throne, as Dota 1 is a custom map built upon it. Additionally, you will need the specific Dota All-Stars map file itself. Make sure to place these files in an easily accessible folder on your Android device, perhaps in a dedicated Games directory. The next crucial step is installing an Android client or emulator capable of running Warcraft 3. You will need to search for a suitable application, download it, and then install it on your device. During installation, ensure you grant all necessary permissions, especially for storage access, so the client can locate your game files. Carefully follow any on-screen instructions for the initial setup process. Finally, it is time to configure your client and start playing. Open the installed application and find the option to import or locate your game files. Navigate to the folder where you saved Warcraft 3 and the Dota All-Stars map. Select the map, and the client should load it. Take a moment to adjust controls, graphics, and other settings for the best possible experience. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.